4 months, 1 tweet, 0 funding. That's all it took for Dára Sobaloju to build Pewbeam AI, the tool that displays Bible verses in real time as pastors preach. Now being tested in Nigerian churches, it's solving a problem every churchgoer knows too well. This is the story of how a product designer built a tool that could reshape worship experiences across Africa. What makes this interesting for me is that I know this problem personally. I've been in the congregation watching slides come up late. I've been on the media team scrambling to find the right verse. And when I heard what Dára Sobaloju was building, I knew this could change everything. To understand the issue, consider a typical Sunday in a Nigerian church. When the pastor quotes a Bible verse,
you know the Bible says in James chapter 1 verse 6,
there's often an awkward pause. The media team rushing to find the reference, sometimes displaying the wrong verse or no slide at all. The flow gets disrupted. For Dára Sobaloju, this was a familiar scene. He had watched it play out for years. By day, Dára is the lead product designer at Trips, a mobility startup. He studied soil sciences at Obafemi Awolowo University, but eventually fell in love with design. Today, he writes about design and mentors young creatives. But in church, the same question kept returning. What if Bible verses could appear automatically as the pastor spoke? On October 24, 2025, he posted his idea on X and committed to building it completely in public within hours. The response was clear. People needed this. A friend offered to join him as brand designer. Together, they started working on what would become Pewbeam AI. So how does Pewbeam work? The AI listens to the pastor's sermon in real time. As the pastor speaks, it analyzes the words, understands the context, and matches it to the right Bible verse, then displays it instantly on screen. Sounds simple, right? But here's the challenge. When the pastor talks about love, there are dozens of verses about love.
But the Bible talks about praying concerning love. But for example, if you read the book of Jude, you know,
the AI has to be smart enough to understand the context and pull up the most relevant verse. It has to be fast enough to do this in real time without lag, and accurate enough not to pull up the wrong verse. But the hardest part wasn't accuracy, it was making it work offline. When building in Nigeria, you have to cater to our realities. Poor internet coverage and unreliable power. Churches can't depend on cloud-based AI systems that need constant internet access. So Dára decided to build Pewbeam to work offline first, be lightweight enough to run on everyday laptops, yet powerful enough to process sermons and match verses accurately. In October 2025, Pewbeam AI was tested for the first time at Celebration Church International, Ibadan. The pastor preached and verses appeared on screen as he spoke. No delays, it worked. On December 2nd, 2025, Pewbeam achieved full offline functionality. But Dára isn't the only one building in this space. Tolulope Adeniyi, a Nigerian developer, is building Spectra, an offline AI tool powered by OpenAI's Whisper that automatically cues Bible verses. Even big churches are experimenting. The Deeper Christian Life Ministry launched Ask Kumuyi, an AI chatbot that answers questions about sermons by Pastor W.F. Kumuyi. This is happening at a time when many Christians in Nigeria are skeptical of AI. There's a common belief that it's a tool that could lead people away from the faith. But builders like Dára are rewriting that story. They are showing that AI can save the church, not replace it. That technology can enhance worship, not distract from it. I wanted to build something that saves the church, Dára said. The tool that keeps the flow of the message intact and helps people connect more easily with the word. But building Pewbeam isn't just about solving a technical problem, it's about building a sustainable business. Dára plans to adopt a similar model to the YouVersion Bible app. YouVersion is completely free because supporters donate to keep it running. In the long term, Dára envisions Pewbeam adopting a hybrid model. Large churches would pay a subscription, and that revenue would allow smaller churches to use the tool for free. The goal is simple. Every church benefits regardless of budget. Right now, Pewbeam has come a long way since that first test. According to Dára, the AI agent is now near perfect, and a beta program is already on the way. But this story is bigger than Pewbeam. Developers are already imagining what else AI could unlock for churches, from AI-assisted census taking at massive conventions to AI-powered donation tracking. Dára Sobaloju is proof that you just need to see a problem, commit to solving it, and build in public. And if you're solving a real problem, people will support you. From product designer at Trips to AI builder, changing how churches worship. Dára's journey is just 4 months old, but if Pewbeam succeeds, millions of churchgoers across Africa will experience smoother worship services. And it all started with one tweet and a decision to build in public. Here's my question for you. Do you think some things should stay analog? Let me know in the comments. If you enjoyed the video or learned something from it, hit the like button and subscribe for more African tech stories. I'll see you in the next one. Peace.